Hello, my name is Ssenkaayi. Welcome to yet another episode of our Inspiration Moment, where we try to look at various issues that make us who we are and help us find ourselves and become the people that God created us to be. Today, I look back into my life and try to see how I've become the person I am today, the person that you're watching today. I look at how all this started. I can't say I started it, my mother started it. I'm a product of faith and a product of hope. I'm a product of consistency and persistence of my mother. I remember the stories I heard about how my mother left my father. She was young. My father met my mother at such a tender age, and she gave birth to us, more than 5 children. But I remember we were told that when she was leaving, there was someone who was there who said, if you don't have anything to do or anywhere to go, there is a rope there, you can go into that forest and hang yourself. The word hang still clings in my ears. And every time she says it, there are lots of things that come to my mind. And that is how she started her story. She left my father with nothing apart from the clothes that were on her body. I heard that she went through a lot until when she got a small job where she could save 300 shillings a day. That is something like not even $1, but below, they are just cents. 300 shillings a day. And that is how she started her life, saving 300 shillings a day. Until the time when she could take me and my siblings to university. I always ask myself, how could someone start from that too small to something that made us who we are, something that built a foundation that today we boast, or a foundation that has made us who we are for other people to look up to us and learn a few things from us. I know that in life there are lots of challenges, there are lots of problems that we encounter on our way to our destiny. But I've realized, and this is what she has always told us, that with faith, persistence, consistency, and never dying hope, of course, coupled with hard work and commitment to what you love and what you're doing, you can never fail. This is the reason why today I want to share with you the pillars of success. The pillars that I'm not yet there, but the honest truth is I'm not where I used to be. So these pillars to share with you have shaped my life, have shaped the kind of things that I do, have shaped all those things that I hope for and what I'm working for. And these pillars are derived from her own experiences when she was starting her life, and how she's made a foundation that could make us stand, could bring us before you, and a foundation that has helped us to help other people, be there for other people. These factors or these principles or these pillars, if you follow them, if you believe in them and give them your best, trust me, they'll be like a guiding star in your life. They'll be like a compass of your life. They'll give you direction. They'll help you to shape everything that you do. You won't make mistakes. You won't be used. These pillars will help to bring together your life to move forward to another level. The first principle or the first pillar is the principle of purpose. She told me that irrespective of where you are and the situation around you, you must know what you were born to do. You must know what your calling is. The reason why they call it a calling, because deep inside your spirit, there is a certain voice that keeps on reminding you of who you are and what you're supposed to do. Of course, because of the circumstances or challenges around us or the situations around us, we tend to focus on survival and we leave out something that is greater than survival, something that can make us more great. The principle of purpose she says, is like a star, a guiding star or a compass that can help you find yourself, that can help you know who to talk to, when to talk to them, and how to talk to them. So the most important thing in life is the principle of purpose. You must know what you're born to do. Let me tell you, your job is not your work. Your job is your profession. That is something you're paid to do. But there is something you are born to do. And let me tell you, this is what I've realized. What gives us efficiency at work is not our professions, but our callings, our purpose of creation. That is why they can expel you from your job, but no one will expel you or stop you from doing what you love, doing what you're born to do. So the most important thing in life is not your job. The most important thing is finding out what were you born to do. That is the mother of the second pillar that we call the principle of passion. You cannot love something unless that is exactly what you're born to do. So finding out your purpose is very important. After finding out your purpose, the passion for it will come automatically. Let me tell you, there are times I've been called, several times that I've been called to talk to people and train. And those people that called me to offer such a service, they never paid me. But I've never been disappointed in any way doing what I love. I don't care if people pay me or not. The most important thing is I love what I'm doing. So you can't frustrate me, you can't disappoint me, you can't do anything to stop me from doing what I'm supposed to do. So this passion can only be mothered by purpose. If the passion that you have is within your line of interest, your line of purpose, from the reason why you are born, no one can stop you. And let me tell you, someone with a purpose and a passion for what they're doing, you can never frustrate them. So having known your purpose and knowing the principle of passion, then you must go to a third principle, which is said the principle of planning. You must plan your life. Yes, you have a purpose. It is true, you love what you're doing. But the distance from where you are today to where you want to be tomorrow comes as a result of proper planning of your life and whatever you're doing. You must plan your life. You must know what time to wake up, what to do when you wake up, what to start with. You must know. The good thing about finding your purpose, when you know your purpose, you always have the direction of your life. And when you have the direction of your life, you always know what you must do, when you need to do it, and who you can work with. So you have the purpose, you have the passion, but yes, you must plan your life. After planning your life, she tells me you need people. That is the fourth principle, the principle of people. You need people that can help you to become that which you dream to be. Because she said no man is an island, and we cannot achieve things on our own. We need assistance from other people. We need mentorship. We need guidance. We need people that can show us opportunities around us. Sometimes we focus so much on challenges, and we forget that within those challenges, that every problem needs a solution. Every challenge needs a strategy that can help people overcome it. So every strategy or every solution is a business or an opportunity. So we need people that can help us to know that these problems that we encounter every day in our life, or the challenges that we are facing, all of them are opportunities that we can leverage on and maybe change people's lives or have an impact on other people's lives, and in the end, our lives to change. So the principle of people in life, you need people that can help you become something. And again, you need to lose people in order to become something. It is two-way. We need people, you need people that can help you become that which is inside of you. At the same time, you need to lose people or to drop people that cannot help you. They always say that, show me your friends and I'll tell you who you are. When you look at our friends or the people that we spend a lot of time with, we are no different from them. We can't have any difference. You're not different from your friends. And let me tell you, you can't do something greater than those people that you spend most of your time with. So the most important thing in life, know that not everyone who smiles for you, not everyone who smiles or who participates in your jokes or your discussions really believes in you or sees something good in you. Not all people are going to see the greatness inside you, and not all people are going to encourage you to keep on pursuing what you're pursuing. There are those people who always remind us to remind us of the bad things only, the negative things, or whenever you share with them an idea that you're going to do something, they will tell you that is hard. So you don't need such people. So having known your purpose, and you have the passion and the proper plan to move towards your destiny or to move towards that which you want to achieve, you must find the people. And after finding people, we go to the fifth principle. That is the principle of persistence. I don't know how many times I've tried to do several things and I've failed. I don't know how many times I've gone to those people who even inspired me to be the person I am or to start what I'm doing, and they disappointed me. I don't know how many times I've been underrated by people that I always thought they were happy, or they were happy with what I was doing or happy with my work. These people have kept on disappointing me. But you must be persistent. I've never seen a monument of a person who surrendered, who gave up. All the monuments are for people who were consistent and persistent no matter the odds. Let me tell you, if you have the purpose and the passion and the proper plan and the right people with you, you must persist. You're going to fail, you're going to fall, you'll be underrated, you'll be disappointed. But the most important thing is not the noise outside you. The most important thing is what comes from inside. The voice deep inside your spirit that reminds you every day that irrespective of the challenges around you, irrespective of the darkness around you, there is light inside you. If you focus on that light, if you focus on that light and move consistently and persistently, don't care whether where you had put your hope, things have turned out different. No, there is always a way somewhere, and your way is waiting for your consistency. And what I've realized in life, to succeed or to achieve something, nature tends to test us. All these tests prepare us for something great. And only those that never give up, only those that never give up on themselves and their dreams are the ones that win. Like I said in our previous video clips, in our previous inspirational moments or series, I told you that you're going to fail. But it's not about how many times you have tried and failed, but how many times have you lifted yourself up after such a big fall. But you have the same courage, same strength, motivation, focus, passion and commitment to move towards that which you want. So the most important thing is persistence. You must be persistent. You must never give up. You must, because whenever you give up, you have given up on your child. The child in you, that's the greatness. That is where your power is hidden. And that takes us to the last principle, the principle of prayer. My mother used to say that, actually even up to now, she says, whatever she has achieved, it has been through prayer. And there is a certain man who said that it seems man cannot without God, and God won't without man. So the only way you can connect to the spiritual world is through prayer. And I've realized that prayer is not a religious activity, because we humans are spiritual people. So we come from the spiritual world to the physical world. There must be a connection between the physical and the spiritual world. And the only link between these two worlds is prayer. So every human must pray. Pray, for one thing, because you don't know what was put inside you, what was hidden inside you. Our Creator hid something inside each of us. But to manifest it, to bring it out, we need what we call revelation. Revelation comes through spiritual commitment to something, getting inside yourself to find that which was hidden inside you. So we need prayer to manifest what we really want to bring out in life. And we need this spiritual guidance always to remain humble, to remain true to who we are and what we are trying to pursue, and to remain committed to our calling. So these 6 principles of life have made and shaped my life, and they continue to shape my life every day. These principles shaped my mother's life. These principles changed my life. I'm a product of faith, as I told you. I'm a product of a never dying hope. I'm a product of commitment. So I want to share with you this for you to begin shaping your life. That knowing your purpose is very important. Knowing your purpose will give you passion. The passion that you have must be planned, well planned. So you must sit down and ask yourself, how are you going to move from where you are to where you want to be? That is the plan. To move from where you are to where you want to be, you need people that can help you. That is the 4th principle, people. And you need to be consistent. And lastly, you need to pray. You need to pray in the morning, you need to pray. In the afternoon, you need to pray in the night. You should pray for yourself as you work towards becoming the person that you want to be. Thank you so much. You can keep on following us on our Facebook page, Get Inspired with Simon Ssenkaayi, or subscribe to our channel, Simon Ssenkaayi, our channel on YouTube, Simon Ssenkaayi. Thank you so much. May God bless you.